This is the reading, The Power of Music. Again, you should read this on your own first and then watch this video. And then make sure that you have your post-it notes so that you can take notes. I have my pens out. There are only a few things that make human beings different from all other animals. The ability to create music is one of the things that makes us unique. Our connection with music begins early in life. Small babies respond to music. Mothers all over the world sing to their babies to comfort them and to help them sleep. All cultures create some kind of music. So the important thing here is, my main point is music. And creating music makes us unique. So humans create music, and one thing that we all have in common is babies respond to music, right? And that's all over the world. It's pretty interesting. Why is music important in the lives of humans? Some scientists believe that music plays a role in brain development. Remember we mentioned that sometimes the main idea can be in the first sentence or the second sentence? In this case, it's the second one. So it says here, music helps us develop our brain. Research shows that children who learn to play musical instruments can solve problems more quickly and easily than children who do not. So let's make our notes here, brain development. So the first thing that happens is children who play music can solve problems quicker. Scientists believe that learning to play music is different from learning about other things like history or science. It can change the way cells are connected to your brain. Okay, so that's our second point. Changes how cells connect in our brains. These new connections may improve how the brain works. It's possible that long ago music helped people think better and solve problems. This ability helped people survive. So this has been going on for a long time, not just now. Music continues to help people today. So that's our main point. And it's going to explain how. Many doctors use music to help their patients. Okay, so I'm going to write here, music helps people today. And I think this paragraph is going to give us some examples of that. So number one, doctors use music to help patients. It says here, they use music to relieve pain and stress. Music is especially useful for patients with brain diseases or brain injuries. So those are examples of how doctors use it. It can help people who have problems speaking. Patients who no longer speak may listen to familiar songs. When they hear the songs, they can recognize the words. Sometimes they can sing the familiar songs before they can speak again. So these are another example. So let's write it down. The first example, I'm going to write A. Relieve pain and stress. The second one is brain injuries. It helps people with brain injuries. And then it helps people with speaking. So make sure you write those down. Those are the examples of how music has helped, how doctors use music to help patients. Music also has a powerful effect on memory. Okay, I'm going to use my green pen here. So here it's going to tell us about memory and give us some examples of how music affects our memory. Music can help people remember the words in a message. For example, a song can help children memorize important information, such as the letters of the alphabet. Research shows that repetition and rhythm in music help people remember words. Okay, so this is our example. It helps people remember things. Companies that want people to remember their products know the effect of music on memory. Therefore, they often use music in their advertisements. So the main idea here is companies use music in their advertisements because they want people to remember their product. So let's see. One study of advertisements compared listeners' memories. One group of advertisement had just words. Another group had words and music. Listeners remembered the messages with words and music better than they remembered the messages with only words. So companies use music to help people remember. Businesses use the power of music in other ways too. Department stores and supermarkets often use music to try to influence how much money their customers spend. Okay, so let's underline that. So not only do they use it in commercials to help people remember the product, when you actually go to a store, stores use music to help influence how much money you spend. They choose music they think will make their customers feel happy. So I'm going to put here stores use music to make people happy. So then after that they will spend money. So the people will spend money. They will spend more money. They want customers to feel good, stay longer, and spend more money. Restaurant owners use music in the same way. Some may choose soft, slow music. They believe this music makes people relax and spend more money. Other restaurant owners may choose something faster with a strong rhythm. With fast music, customers may feel energetic and finish more quickly. This lets the restaurant serve more customers. So these are examples of how they use it. Music influences our emotions in many different ways. You may have noticed that some songs make you relax and feel happy, and other songs make you feel sad. When you listen to music, your brain releases chemicals that affect your emotions. This is why you may choose one kind of music for a party and another kind of music for a quiet dinner. So the main idea here is it affects our emotions, right? And it gives some examples here. And then let's move on to the last paragraph. Music has a powerful influence on our feelings, behavior, decisions, and learning. So this is a summary of all the things that were discussed in the reading. Teachers use it to help children learn. Doctors use it to help their patients recover. Businesses use it to encourage people to relax, shop, and buy their products. If you understand the power of music, you can make it work for you. So this is the conclusion. Repeats the main points in each paragraph. So after you're done annotating, you're ready to move on to the exercises on the next page.